Hi, it's Caena. Welcome back to my closet. And today is a lip service update. This is my second update on this project, PANtastic Ladies Collab. They will be linked below if you want to check out their videos. And it's been awesome collabing with you. Thanks, ladies. Anyway, it's lip day on Caena's closet today because I just filmed my using my lipsticks video, which is why I look exactly the same. So you'll see that. That'll be going up, I think tomorrow by the time you're seeing this. So there's that. Anyway, let's just go ahead and start with my updates. We will start in the order in which they're used. So, first things first. We have this e.l.f. lip scrub in Cherry Tart. I think it's Cherry Tart. And you see my lines on there. So this is how I've been measuring. Let's scroll that up and see what's going on. So let me roll it down to the black part right there. It is. I have been using this all the time, but for some reason, oh, it did move. Okay, let me just show you that. I will be including pictures so that you can get a better look, but I'll just show you anyway. So here's this. I don't know if you can see that. Let me just make sure. I don't want to cut off the top of it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of progress. It's crazy. I use this all the time. As you can see, it's really, really close. So I'm not too worried about that. It seems like it's taking forever, but it's almost there. So after you're done scrubbing your lips, you're gonna need some lip balm. So I have this Jersey Shore. This one's long. Let me just read it to you. Wait. Jersey Shore Cosmetics Peppermint Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. That's what this is. And let me see if I can get the cap off. There we go. I use this all the time too, so we'll see. I haven't actually rolled it up, so I don't know where I'm at. You'll see it in the pictures, which I'm going to take as soon as we're done here. But there we go. That looks pretty good, actually. I seem to recall it being somewhere up here, so yeah. That's a bad background too. There, my hat's black. So yeah, it's, you know, from here, that's not bad. Anyway, I think this is going pretty well. There is some progress to see here. So there's 2 products with progress so far. Don't get too excited. I don't even know why I'm filming this. I'm just kidding. But anyway, that's 2 down. This is 3. I can't count. Here comes number 3. We'll make it work. So for the third thing, I have this Model Co. Illusion Lip Liner. I know that they carry this brand at Ulta, but I haven't seen this lip liner. I did look. I'm gonna have to look a little harder. I really like it, is what I'm trying to say. I'll just swatch it for you. You can see the color. But anyways, it is this really like nudie lipstick. It's like your lips, but your lips. And so you can overline with it, which is why it's called Illusion, because I figured that out. But anyways, yeah, so it's like you can just kind of overline a little bit with it, and you can't tell because it totally works. At least it does for me. It's my lips. I don't know if it's your lips, but it's my lips. Yes. So I will insert a picture here so that you can see if I've made any progress at all on this, because it's a lip liner, so probably not a lot, but maybe some. Picture here. You tell me. Okay, the next step in the process would be lipstick. So this is my Tarte Lip Surgent in the color Wonder, which is this like dark kind of corally color. So I will swatch that for you. So there it is. It's very pretty. It's like minty fresh and it feels really nice on the lips. It's like a lip balm, but very, very opaque. So I'm counting it as a lipstick. So that's it, scrolled all the way up. They do have markings. One of them's silver, so yeah. Now let me just look and see if I've made any progress. I'm gonna say no. It kind of looks like no. So anyway, if you look, there on the cap is a silver line. And as you can see, it's pretty much right up to that. So we're gonna say no. No, I haven't made any progress on this. I have been naughty. So I apologize, and I will do better this month. I promise. Anyway, we'll just put that away. Don't think about it. Next, I have this Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Pasadena, which is really beautiful. I think this is like my favorite Ofra that I've owned. So there might be, I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, it's in the shade Pasadena. I have taken the stopper out. I don't know if you can see in there, but I've scraped a little bit. It's not empty by any means. There's still something going on in there, but let me swatch it. It's a little difficult. It's getting to the point where I might actually just call it done, but not yet. I'm gonna keep it. It still smells delicious. It's like, I don't know, their stuff smells like vanilla, but vanilla chocolate or something. But anyway, there she is. It's a really beautiful kind of a deep, it's a mauve. That's a mauve. That's a mauve. Mauve, whichever one you prefer. So I'm gonna say I have made progress on that. I have actually worn that one a lot more than this one. But here's the problem. You can't see the progress in that bottle. Just, it's thick. So it's all around the sides. Anyway, there she is. She's beautiful. I have no problem wearing that. If it gets any drier, I will call it done. And last but not least is this lovely lip gloss from Noya. What the hell is this one called? I can't remember. Oh yeah. Okay. It's from Noya. It's a lip gloss. It's in the shade Malbec, M-A-L-B-E-C. But anyway, it's in this gorgeous packaging, which I went ahead and marred with this stupid silver Sharpie. Hopefully that comes off, because I don't know. I don't know. I kind of regret marking this because when I was trying to find a line, and it had been sitting up for a while, I couldn't anymore. Like, I can actually see like a spot here where it's empty. But it was down here theoretically, but was it? I don't know. It might have been trapped at the top under this thing and I couldn't see it, because when I looked at it earlier, it didn't seem like it was any further down, and I use it all the time. So I feel like this is going to be one of those things that we're not going to be able to tell. Like, these two are going to be the items that you won't see any progress until they're almost gone. But at any rate, that's her, and I will swatch it. It's really, really pretty. In fact, I'm going to show you something. So let me just swatch it by itself. Right? Okay. It's so pretty. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a weird kind of a formula, so I have to double, triple, quadruple dip in here to get enough sometimes. So it's kind of weird, but I really do like it. It's this guy right here. It's this very, very, it's like a cherry blossom, but not. It's like, it has cherry blossoms on it. So yeah, it's kind of like a cherry blossom color, but deep. Anyway, let me just show you how I like to wear these, because it looks really cool. But I'm gonna do it this way, just so you can see. Panner's secret. If you swatch everything every time, eventually it will be done. Just a little tip from me to you. I'm sassy today, I'm sorry. But anyway, let's go ahead and put her on top. Like I said, you kind of have to double dip in this guy. Okay, there we go. Maybe that's a better swatch. There we go. Let's try that. But you see how pink it turns it? It's so, so pretty. But anyway, that is my update. There's not a lot going on, and I am sorry for that because I have been slacking because I've been wearing 1,000,001 other lipsticks. And I had to do this color challenge that was 7 days long, and of course I had to pull out a bunch of lipsticks to go with that. So there it is. Anyway, that is my update for my lip service PANtastic Ladies Collab Project Pan. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully next time I will have something to show for it. And just in case, I will put some pictures in, or maybe I already did. I don't know. Anyways, you tell me if I'm doing anything here. That is going to be everything, and I will see you guys next time. I'll go ahead and link some stuff below if you want to check out any of my other videos, like my Project Pan series playlist. I will link that. Using my collection so you can see about all those lovely lipsticks that I've been wearing instead of my Project Pan lipsticks. And until then, I will see you later. Bye.